Hey guys, it's me Alayah, and today I'm going to be opening the squishy package of the day. Hooray! So, it's this, I'm pretty sure it's the Rilakkuma bread loaf, just by the shape of the packaging. So yeah, I'm just gonna open that. Oh, let's see how very tightly. We don't have to open it from there. Okay. Oh, it's a different kind. So like, yeah, it's like almost the same kind of mine. Oh.
Let's leave it in. That's for the giveaway.
Yeah, this is actually for the giveaway. There's just the little eyeballs. It's actually pretty much the same as mine, but it's whiter and like it's like it looks like a cartoon character and it's more like shiny. So yeah, here's this. So yeah, that was the and
no more squishing.
yeah, no more.
Okay, so this is the squishy package of the day. It is for the giveaway. We don't want to take it out of the packaging.
That was the squishy package of the day. Hooray!
So hopefully more come tomorrow so
Yeah.
we can get this package out to you guys. This is the 6th one and we're waiting for 11 altogether. So a few more to go.
Only 6 more. Okay, so I just brought mine here because we thought it was that, and I really wanted to squish it a lot, so I brought mine so I don't have to squish that one a lot, so.
Yep, that's Alayah's.
And there's your guys' if you're subscribed.
And that's yours.
Yeah, that's your guys'.
I hope you guys are just as excited as we are for the giveaway to send you guys your package and pick the winner. So yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, he's that. So that was the squishy package of the day. Hooray. So yeah, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.